Here we go, 4th graders. I'm going to show you how to get to the student reference book. This is a tool that you can use to look up words if you're not sure what a word means, or you can learn about different math concepts. So it's a very useful tool. So you're going to be on the elementary resources page like this. Click the home button if you need to. Go to classroom resources. Because we're in math, you're going to go to math. Go to everyday math. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get logged in. Username and password are going to be, username is FPS, I believe it's capital FPS lunch number, and then password should be either like lunch number, FPS lunch number, one of those. So this is very similar to what your screen will look like. When you click here, this takes you to the student reference book, and it says to get Flash, do that. How's it going?
Sun's out finally.
Yeah, that's always nice.
Warmed up a little bit.
Once you're here, you can access the table of contents here. Then if you want to get to a certain page, go next there to the cover. To get to a certain page, you just type it in here. So I'm going to show you a page that we're going to use today in group. Hit enter, and then it takes you there. So that is how you get to the student reference book.